To add or remove Samsung Cloud Drive in My Files Home, open My Files settings, swipe up on the home screen to access the app screen, and then tap Samsung folder, select My Files, and then tap My Files More icon or three dot icon, tap Settings, tap Customize My Files Home, and then tap Samsung Cloud Drive switch until orange to add or to show, and or tap switch until white to hide or remove from My Files Home. Okay, let's try to show or add. If you in My Files Home, you can see Samsung Cloud Drive, and if add or remove, tap switch until white, you cannot see Samsung Cloud Drive in My Files Home. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.